So we are going to unbox it. So guys, we are going to unbox this phone, Vivo S1 Pro. So guys, it's a new phone. It's not mine. Guys, the phone, you can look. It's great. I like this phone. You can look its back, shining, the blue. The camera is not so clear, that's why you cannot feel the color of this. It's great. 4 cameras. There are 4 cameras. It's quadrant shape, I think so. 1 flash here. 4 cameras are there. So we are going to on this. You can look. It's fingerprint here. Let's on this. So guys, the phone is on. It's great looking. You can look. Features: 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, internal ROM. You can expand it to 265 GB, I think. So you can look speed. It's great. The all features in this. The new phone of Vivo. Great phone. You can look. It's clearness. So first, we can go on to the camera features. You can look the camera. I'm going to take a photo. This video. It's great. There will be crystal clear photos. If we off the light also, you can look, it's carefree. I took a photo in night. You can look same as taking with the light. You can look at the difference. There's no difference. Next, I'm going to say the features of this phone. So the features: Vivo 19220, front camera 32 MB, rear camera 48 MB plus, 8 MB plus, 2 MB plus, 2 MB. Its battery capacity is 4500 mAh. Screen 16.2 20 cm. In this set, you will get handset, USB cable, charger, cell phone, pin, warranty card, quick start guide, mobile case. This all are you will get from this product when you buy this phone. This is my first unboxing video. I think you like this video. This is Vivo S1 Pro. You can look the reference sensor. If you like to buy, you can buy this S1 Pro. Great. So guys, so please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you next video. Till then, thanks for watching.